Good morning dear students. Today we are going to start our SS class of class 8th with chapter first, globes and maps. This chapter we already studied in last class also. In this chapter already we discussed about globes, drawback of globes, maps, types of maps, feature of maps, signs and symbols on maps, colors on maps, direction, sub-direction, many much more thing already discussed by us in last class. And now we are going to start a new topic known as scale. It is the last topic of this chapter and this is very important for showing on maps. So listen here, look at maps carefully. You can see a small ruler like symbols on maps. It is called scale. If you are watching a map, then look at carefully, then you can watch that type of structure on map. If you are watching on map, then that type of structure is also there, like ruler like structure. Imagine that this is a map of any place, then like it's a map of any country. Then in country there's a divided a part of a state, and the state is divided into by the type of that's scale ruler like structure. That's known as scale. That type of line, that type of ruler like structure is known as scale. Because why we use that type of scale and something like that, why, what's the need or necessity of that thing for showing on map? Because the actual distance between two places is not be possible to showing on map. If we are going to talk about like just in simple way, Sumerpur to Siroi. If we are showing that places onto district maps like in Pali and Siroi, then if we want to just mention that type of information like Sumerpur to Siroi, then it's not be possible to draw a line of 35 km on map. If you want to show the actual distance, then you have to draw 35 km line, and it's not be possible. Then on that condition we are going to taking such that type of scale. Because of that we can easily represent that distance like 10 km is equal to 1 centimeter. If you want to represent 10 km on map, then you can draw easily 1 centimeter line. Then it is represented as a 1 centimeter is known as 10 km. Whenever you are taking such that type of scale, then it is already written, and downside also like that type of scale is written here. 10 km is equal to 1 centimeter. It's already written in downside of that, then you can easily understand if 1 centimeter line is drawn here, then its distance is 10 km. That's about scale. Distance between two places represented by a smaller unit on map. Means why we use? Because of representing a distance between two places, we are taking a scale. A scale is the ratio between distance on map and on the ground. I already discussed about that thing. Distance between ratio between actual distance means like actual distance is 10 km, then ratio is 1 centimeter. 10 is to 1. This ratio is showing here, like ratio is here is 10 is to 1. Again I want to revise that thing. Scale. Look at map carefully. You can see is easily a small ruler like symbol on maps. Like that type of symbols you can watch easily on maps. That type of symbols are known as scale. And distance between two places represented by a small unit on map, like that 10 km is 1 centimeter. A scale is the ratio between the distance on map on the ground. Like the actual distance is 10 km, then scale is 1 centimeter, then 10 is to 1 is ratio is here. It's all about scale. In next class we will discuss about second chapter. Thank you.